in live to the ground, and of course, to link to our team to give you live updates by the Minister or the Ministry of Health on the situation of COVID-19 pandemic in the Gambia. But just to tell you briefly, so far Gambia confirmed 4 cases, and the 4th case was confirmed yesterday by the health minister, as you heard from him. Before that, it was 3 cases, 1 death so far. So the rest are under treatment. We have over 100 people under quarantine, and of course, that's what the situation shows at the country at the moment. And on Monday today, the 30th of March 2020, in about some minutes, the minister would update the public on the situation, the latest update, of course, on the coronavirus in the country. And there is, of course, one probable case. The results are pending. We would not know what of course, we are going to hear. And these are live images you can see. Of course, the one updating the media is already seated, and it looks like it's not the minister himself who's going to trust the, of course, face the press today. But whosoever it is, in about a moment or so, we should be hearing from him what is the latest update on the current situation of the coronavirus. Of course, that is the latest, as we are about to hear from the health officials. Now, of course, we'll continue to remind Gambians home and abroad to be more cautious on the pandemic, and of course give, of course, advices to other people as well, and make sure that everybody is in safe hands and well protected, and let's follow the precautionary measures that have been given by the health officials, and of course WHO as well. But apparently, the officials are readying themselves to get us updated on the latest update on the coronavirus situation in the Gambia. And like I say, we always want to give you accurate and confirmed stories as they happen from the health authority. We wouldn't want to preempt or to give you unconfirmed stories. All right, so this is the situation at the moment, and pretty much soon we should be linking you live to our team on the ground, and so we can hear from the ministry. As I said earlier on, so far Gambia have 4 confirmed cases of the coronavirus, and I think we are ready now to go live to the ground and go with the team. So we join them now.
General purpose. The contribution you have made is actually appreciated. So having said that, we want to invite the Honorable Director, Dr. Mustafa Bitey, to provide us the update for the current event that is happening in the country in relation to the COVID-19. So thank you very much for your kind attention, and we welcome the Honorable Director, Dr. Bitey, to provide the update.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we have been doing, this is to update you on the most recent developments regarding our response to COVID-19 outbreak in the Gambia. So the following are the updates. First, since the last update yesterday, 29th March 2020, we have not received any laboratory test results yet. There are 12 samples awaiting testing. 28 additional contacts have been admitted into quarantine. 2 Senegalese fishermen who claim to be running away from the COVID-19 outbreak in their country were also intercepted at sea yesterday by security personnel. They have also been put in quarantine. A gentleman who recently arrived in the country from France and was since evading quarantine has been found through the 1025 hotline and put in mandatory quarantine. The cumulative number of people quarantined to date is 247 people. The first set of people to have completed their 14-day mandatory quarantine are planned to move out of the quarantine facility tomorrow, 31st March 2020. There are 5 in number. As it stands, the total number of confirmed cases still remains at 4, and we still have one inconclusive case. While we await pending test results from laboratory, the public is advised to remain vigilant and continue reporting any suspected COVID-19 case through our toll-free lines 1025. The Ministry of Health appeals to the general public to remain calm and follow the preventive measures at all times and abide by the executive directives issued by His Excellency the President. With concerted efforts and unity of purpose, we will solely contain COVID-19 in the Gambia. I thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. For today, I think we have to apologize. We cannot entertain questions and answers. So having said that, we actually appreciate the effort you are making. The fact that you just come and attend and have this report, and I hope when you go, you will immediately share this thing with the general population. So having said that, we want to thank you once again. As I said, this is one of the arrangements we made, and we hope to continue providing you with factual information regarding COVID-19. So we thank you very much and wish all of you a safe return. And we also look forward cooperating with you in the fight against this dreadful disease. So thank you very much.
Right. Tomorrow time will be communicated.
Thank you, Director.
Thank you, Director.
Sorry.